बढ़िया सर।
चलो अच्छा, ये यस प्रकाश, व्हाट यू आर सेइंग?
उल्टा आ जाएगा सर, उल्टा आ जाएगा पूरा।
Right, that you will get opposite of this. Prakash, you are asking about the diode, I think. Prakash,
नहीं सर, समझ में आ गया।
समझ गए ना? Whenever load is RL type, in that case only these diodes are used to feed back the energy, as in the case of single phase inverter we have seen, right? Here they,
वैसे
here
ये 120 180 मोड कंडक्शन कई जगह पे आता था ना, मतलब इस इन्वर्टर के अलावा भी कहीं कहीं आता था।
नहीं, don't get confused. So far we have studied rectifier, where each device will conduct for the duration of 120 degree, because each phase voltage is phase shifted by 120 degree, that remain more positive only for the duration of 120, right? There is no question of 180 and all, right? There is no question of 180 and all in case of three-phase rectifier. As far as single-phase rectifier are concerned, each device will conduct for the 180 degree. That is different issue. But not in case of three-phase rectifier. You won't find anywhere 180 degree mode of conduction. It is maximum 120 degree. Means in all the case, each device will conduct for the duration of 120 degree. That's it. But in case of inverter, what actually you are trying to do? You just turning on. Let me show you the picture. Let me show you the picture, then you easily understood the thing. See, we have pole voltage like this. This is one pole. This pole can have two voltage. One is plus VDC. One is plus VDC, other one is 0. We can do it like this. We can do it like this. Suppose this is 0.0. All this green one is the fictitious supply. This supply is divided into two part, VDC by 2 and VDC by 2. And this pole can have either plus VDC by 2 or minus VDC by 2. Half of the duration it will have plus VDC by 2 and half of the duration it will have minus VDC by 2. That is why the 180 degree mode of conduction come in the existence. Entire cycle is of duration of 360 degree. Half of the period, T by 2, upper switch is on, half of the time lower switch is on, which you can notice here as well. You look at this, where S1 is turning off, S4 is turning on. S1 is turning off, S4 is turning on, both are in the same black. S3 is turning off, S6 is turning on. 3 and 6 are the same leg of the device. 3 and 6 are the devices of same leg. 3 and 6 are the devices of same leg. Likewise 5 and 2, you just see here. 5 is turning off here, whereas 2 is turning on here. 2 and 5 are the devices of same leg. Means half of the period upper side is on, half of the period lower side is on, as we already did in the single phase inverter, right? There should not be any confusion. Why we go for 120 degree mode of conduction, that we will see in the later classes, because this is the problem. Here, this is the problem. The point where S1 is off, S4 is on. You know, even if the devices are of the same manufacturer, same lot, everything is same, but there is a huge possibility that this device is not off completely and this device is not on completely at the same instant. There is a huge chances S1 is also conducting and S4 is also conducting. In that case, there is a dead short circuit. In that case, there is dead short circuit. S1, S4, both get shorted through DC source. Huge amount of current will flow in this circuit and these devices may get damaged. The same case is happening with 3 and 6. The same case is happening with 5 and 2. To overcome this problem, we go for 120 degree mode of conduction. देखेंगे उसको बाद में, राइट प्रकाश? आई थिंक देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी डाउट एट दिस स्टेज. Your
Yes,
all
sir.
doubts.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. No, sir.
Now do the next part. That is
सर एक
to
बार फिर से बता दीजिए.
किसको पूछना है? आरमन. आरमन क्या पूछ रहे हो बेटा?
सर ये प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है इसमें, और
देखो
120 डिग्री हम
देखिए 180 डिग्री मोड में 1 यहाँ पर एंड हो रहा है और 4 यहीं पर चल रहा है, तो इट मे पॉसिबल देयर इज शॉर्ट सर्किट. यू नो ईच डिवाइस has its own turn off time and turn on time. You remember na, when we studied unit second, there is a static equalization
Yes, sir.
circuit, dynamic equalization circuit. So there is a huge chances during this time this device is not completely turned off and you turn on S4. The moment S4, S1 both are on, there is a dead short circuit. S1 not completely off, S4 get on, so there is a dead short circuit. The same case is happening here. When 3 is off, 6 is on. It may possible 3 is not completely off, S6 is on, so there is a dead short circuit in Y phase as well. The same thing is happening here, where 5 is off, 2 is getting on. You look at this, 5 is getting off here and 2 is getting on here. 5 and 2 switching time is same. If one device is getting off, other device is getting on, and there is a huge possibility both devices are conducting simultaneously. In that case, there is a dead short circuit which will damage your devices as well as your DC supply. To overcome this problem, we go for 120 degree mode of conduction. पढ़ेंगे उसको भी पढ़ेंगे and we will see where we go for this 120 degree mode of conduction and all. Right? Clear? Arman?
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ना? Problem समझ में आ
Yes,
गया?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now for 2, 3, 4, I wish Ankita, Yakshay, या फिर one more fellow was there, मृदुल, जिनसे ये नहीं हुआ था अभी तक, वो 2, 3, 4 को लगाएं. Shakti, you also. Shakti, you also. What would be the voltage
Yes, sir.
when 2, 3, 4 are conducting? 2, 3, 4 are conducting. 2, 3, 4 are conducting. Now, 2
Minus VDC by 3.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट है. बस एक मैं थोड़ा सा एक बार बस और कर दूं इसको. आप जो बता रहे हो बिल्कुल सही बता रहे हो. 2, 3 and 4. So from positive, S3 is conducting. S3 is conducting. From here, 3 is conducting. This point is Y. You reach neutral point, then 2, 3, 4, yani 2 and 4 are also conducting. 2 and 4 are also conducting. This is 2, let us say, and this is 4. This is 4. This is 4. This point 4 is conducting, so this point is connected to zero voltage, right? This point is connected to zero voltage. You are measuring voltage VRN. Positive point is at zero potential, therefore neutral point is higher as compared to this. Means this minus this is the negative voltage. Are you getting me? Look at this. This point with respect to this point, you are measuring with respect to neutral, you are measuring this and this point is connected to 0. When S4 is on, this R point is connected to 0. So with respect to 0, neutral point is higher. VRN voltage would be negative. And this is how much? This is how much? This is 2 VDC by 3, and this voltage is VDC by 3. This voltage is VDC by 3. But with respect to neutral, this voltage is negative. Positive voltage this side, negative voltage this side. So you will get minus VDC by 3. This is minus VDC by 3. After that, you will get 2 VDC by 3. You just check at your end. This is again minus VDC by 3. So this is the voltage in case of 180 degree mode of conduction. Now, Ekta, just unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
एकता, अब अगर हमको
Yes, sir.
अब अगर हमको VYN बनाना हो तो कैसे बनाएंगे? What we have to do? VRN हमारा आ गया, अभी हमको VYN voltage ये बनाना है. So how we can draw this voltage? What would be the procedure? परेशान
सर
नहीं हो?
पता नहीं सर.
क्यों नहीं पता? तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए. You are not.
सर छूट गया सर, वो कनेक्शन के प्रॉब्लम.
ना डियर. This is very fundamental. All phases are phase shifted by 120 degree. ये कभी जिंदगी में आपसे नहीं छूटा था. ये हमको जब हम बच्चे थे, फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ते थे, तब पता था कि RYB all phases are 120 degree phase shifted. If you have this voltage, you can easily draw VYN. You have to shift this voltage by 120 degree, 60, 120 degree. It will be like this. It will be like this. Let me draw some different color. It will be like this. कहाँ छूट गया डियर? कहीं नहीं छूट गया, देखो. क्यों भाई? है 120 डिग्री इससे शिफ्टेड होगा. और अगर प्रोसीजर की बात करी जाए तो कुछ नहीं, ये सारी डिवाइस का कंडक्शन हमको पता है. हम इसी प्रोसीजर से, जैसे हमने यहाँ पर RN के लिए सर्किट ड्रा करा है, हम लोगों को YN के लिए सर्किट ड्रा करना पड़ेगा. यू विल फाइंड या तो VDC by 3 आएगा या 2 VDC by 3 आएगा, और वो पूरा प्रोसीजर से आप बनाना. You will get the same answer. So this is the exercise for all the 21 students, those who are connected right now. You have to draw all the voltage using this. First you have to find out which devices are conducting, right? These things are very simple. Now if you have to draw the VBN, एकता बताओ, VBN बनाना हो तो कैसे बनाओगे? अब इसी इंटरनेट में घुस करके जूम मीटिंग में तुमको पीटूंगा. Now you have to draw the VBN. How you will draw? आवाज आ रही है एकता? एकता, शक्ति,
यस सर.
भैया ठीक. तो आवाज आ रही है. एकता के पास तो आवाज जाना बंद हो गई. बताओ शक्ति, VBN कैसे बनेगा?
सर जो इसके पहले बना है उससे 120 डिग्री शिफ्ट कर देंगे.
ये YN जो बना है इससे 120 डिग्री फेज शिफ्टेड. क्यों भाई? ठीक है ना? है? इट इज फेज शिफ्टेड बाय
क्या सर?
जो YN वोल्टेज आ गया है,
यस
इससे 120 डिग्री फेज शिफ्टेड, राइट?
Yes, sir.
yn is this, it has to be phase shifted by 120 degree, so it will be like this, it will be like this. एकता को तो आवाज जाना बंद हो गया. VBN is like this, RN, YN, VBN. अब बताओ शक्ति, लाइन वोल्टेज अगर मैं बनाना चाहूं, VRY, मेरे को लाइन वोल्टेज चाहिए. फेज वोल्टेज तो मैंने बना दिया, मेरे को लाइन वोल्टेज चाहिए. लाइन वोल्टेज क्या होगा? What would be the line voltage? है? अरे
देख
भाई,
रहा हूँ.
अरे कुछ करना नहीं है. VRY is the line voltage which is nothing but the VRN minus VYN.
माइनस कर देंगे सर,
बस.
माइनस कर देंगे. यस सर.
VRN माइनस, अरे फेज वोल्टेज, एक दो फेज के वोल्टेज पता है लाइन वोल्टेज कितना होता है? VR माइनस V बाई,
Sir.
you just do this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो look at this, VDC by 3 minus 2 VDC by 3. VDC by 3 minus 2 VDC by 3 means you will get, let me draw with red pen.
VDC.
This is VDC. Here 2 VDC by 3 minus VDC by 3 means VDC. एकता कहाँ गई? एकता पहले तो उसका माइक गया, वो पूरी चली गई. नहीं है तो एकता गायब हो गई, माइक वाइक सब बंद कर दिए. चलो
सर वो कह रही है उसको आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, ना आने दो. सो VDC by 3 minus VDC by 3 means 0. क्यों भाई शक्ति? VDC by 3 minus VDC by 3 means 0. Now the next,
माइनस नहीं है सर.
है VDC by
0 होगा
3.
खाली.
हाँ 0 ही तो है.
माइनस.
देखिए VDC by 3 minus VDC by 3 0, right?
यस सर.
Now minus VDC by 3 minus 2 VDC by 3, that means minus 3 VDC by 3, minus 3 VDC by 3, that is VDC.
माइनस VDC.
This will also come like this, minus 2 VDC by 3 minus VDC by 3, that is minus VDC. After this minus VDC by 3 that is 0. So you will get this type of line voltage. VRY is like this. दिव्यांशु नहीं, रवि तुम आओ जरा, अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को. रवि आप ये बताओ मेरे को, अगर RYB निकालना हो तो क्या होगा?
सर VRN माइनस
नहीं, वेरी गुड, वो तो ठीक है ही है. या फिर मैं इसी को 120 डिग्री फेज शिफ्ट कर दूं. राइट, दोनों ही आप सही बता रहे हो. मैं तो बस सिंप्लिसिटी, क्योंकि अब बार देखो आपकी कौन किससे घट रहा है. Simply you just shift this waveform by 120 degree. This waveform by 120 degree. हो जाएगा भाई?
Yes sir.
Let me take the screenshot of this for you guys. Just a minute. This I have already taken. Now this. किसी को कहीं कोई कंफ्यूजन हो तो मेरे को बताए. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. एकता, आवाज आना शुरू हुई? जल्दी बताओ। अक्षय,
यस सर।
भैया कोई परेशानी?
हाँ सर।
समझ में आ रही बात?
यस।
Okay. So I will stop here. On next turn, we will see when the load is delta connected. See, when load is delta connected, phase voltage is equal to line voltage, right? We will draw the line voltage and phase voltage will remain the same in case of delta connected load. If load is delta connected, that we will see in next class. If the load is star connected, then we will have this type of waveform. Clear? There should not be any confusion. कोई कंफ्यूजन हो, कोई दिक्कत हो तो मेरे को अभी आप पूछ सकते हैं. If you have any confusion regarding today's lecture. और आज आपको जा करके अपना ये सारा वेव फॉर्म जो है, you just try. Don't try directly कि साहब सर ने बता दिया 120 120 शिफ्ट करके बना लेंगे. That is absolutely right. But just for practice, what you have to do, you have to draw. First, find out the which devices is conducting during that particular duration. Once you find out if these devices are conducting in that particular duration, then find out the equivalent circuit. Once you have the equivalent circuit, find out the particular phase voltage, right? That you have to draw. Once you have the phase voltage, we can find out line voltage as well. This is the difference of these two phase voltage, right? Sandeep. संदीप,
यस सर।
बात समझ में आ रही है हम लोगों की?
यस सर।
कहीं कोई कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं
नो सर।
है? चलिए फिर दिस इज एंड फॉर टुडेज मीटिंग. नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी के कारण शायद एक आध लोग जो है इस समय डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए हैं. एट प्रेजेंट वी हैव 20 पार्टिसिपेंट, राइट? So I'm ending this meeting here. As you don't have any doubt, we will meet on Monday, right? This is sign off for this meeting.